Okay, so we're back in, checking in with another update of what is happening with our forecourt and the business. So, as you can probably tell behind me, we have all of the vans which have now been readjusted and moved. We've got all the little ones on the front row. Behind that, we've got obviously the rest of our collection that we have in stock. And we also have a nice Bloomfields horse box just at the far end. And we have now got the whole top section ready for all of our cars to be moved up here. So we still have a few things to tidy up, as you can see. Still got some trees, we've got some fencing, still got a bit of groundwork left to go just to tidy it up properly. However, we've got some of the staff cars parked up here, and as you can see, we have a very gigantic space ready to go for our car dealership, which is obviously joining us at our top site. As mentioned in some of the other episodes, which you guys, if you have missed it, the reason why we're bringing the cars up to the top site is so we can give you guys a wider and a bigger selection of vehicles to choose from, with everything all on one site. If you're here for a van, a pickup truck, a brand new Isuzu, or even a car. So yes, we have everything here, and this is where the cars are all going to be placed. So hopefully in the next update, you're going to see this full of our new forecourt of cars, which is currently just down the road at our, well, other dealership, which is now merging and migrating to join this one. So there we go. If there's any other videos which you guys would like to see, maybe behind the scenes or anything, let us know in the comments down below and we'll be able to cover it for you. See you guys in the next episode.